Welcome to the DVC Resale Market mobile app. We're so excited to announce major updates designed to deliver a smooth, smarter, and more personalized experience for DVC resale buyers and sellers. Whether you're buying, selling, or managing your DVC portfolio, the new DVC Resale Market app offers the tools and insights to help you make informed decisions with confidence. When you open the new DVC Resale Market mobile app, you'll immediately notice the capability to create an account. You simply hit Get Started, then enter your email address, create a password, enter your first and last name, phone number, and then be sure to check the second to last checkbox to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Then hit Join DVC Resale Market. Once your account is set up, you'll get a quick overview of our app features with a quick tutorial. In this video, I'll cover each feature as we go, but the in-app tutorial is a great refresher on where to find things like your DVC contracts, active searches, and more. So the first feature that will be active when you open your app is View Listings. One of the best new features in our DVC Resale Market app is that it's easy to see all listings on the DVC Resale Market without having to set up a search first. You'll see each DVC property listed, and in the bottom right, you can see how many listings are available at each property. Once you click to see all the listings, you'll see a pop-up about adding favorites. If you hit the heart icon on any listing that you're interested in, it will be saved to your favorites, which you can quickly access back on the listings page by hitting favorites at the top. At any point, if you click on a specific contract, you'll open up the DVC Resale Market website where you can view all of the details of that contract. You may notice that there's also an option for My Searches. This is where you can add custom searches so that you can quickly browse listings that match your preferences. For example, if you only want to look for contracts at a specific resort, or contracts that are only 150 to 200 points, or maybe only contracts with a specific use year, you can set up a custom search to quickly see what's available. To create your first search, you can click Add Your First Search Preference, or just hit the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll see a ton of options to refine your search, including sliders for point range and price per point, an option to select one or multiple use years and resorts, and finally, a special status only section. To use this section, simply toggle it on with the button on the right, and then you can select custom statuses like double points, red hot deals, availability, and more. Once you have your search set up, you can hit save. If you add multiple statuses, you'll see any contract that has any of those selected statuses when you view your search. Now, when you go to the My Searches tab, the listings will be filtered to only show contracts that are within your searches. This is a great way to keep an eye on available contracts at a certain resort or with a certain point range that you're most interested in, instead of having to view all listings at once. To see all of your searches, click the magnifying glass at the bottom of the screen, and there you can see all of the searches you've set up, where you can delete or edit them from this tab. It's important to note that once you have those searches set up, you will then automatically be enrolled to notifications for those searches. So if a new listing is put on the DVC Resale Market that fits within your search, you'll get a push notification to your phone, and you can click on that notification to go directly to the DVC Resale Market mobile app and view that contract. If you ever want to edit your notification settings within the app, you can click on the settings icon in the top right, go to notification settings, where you'll have two toggles to turn off notifications for new listings or updates on ongoing DVC Resale Market transactions. Once you have them set as you'd like, you can hit save, and that will update the notification settings for your DVC Resale Market app. You'll also want to go to your phone's main settings and make sure notifications are enabled for the DVC Resale Market app. Next is My DVC, where you can add your current DVC contracts to keep track of estimated value and get important reminders and insights. You can add all of your DVC contracts, even those not purchased on the DVC Resale Market. Once you hit Add Your First Contract, you'll be prompted to enter the details of your contracts as seen on screen. Once you add all the details, hit Save in the top right. Once you have one or more contracts added to your account, the My DVC page will populate with some super helpful information and insights. At the top, you'll see your total points and your estimated blended value of all DVC contracts. You'll also see a notification when your banking deadline is approaching on each contract, and it's a great place to see all of your contracts and deadlines in one place. You can click on any of the contracts to edit, delete, or mark them as sold if you did sell them. Congratulations. Finally, we have the Transactions tab. This is an awesome new feature that keeps track of your transactions with the DVC resale market, whether you're buying or selling. All of your active transactions will be listed. If you click to view details, you'll have an intuitive timeline that shows the completed steps, an active step, and upcoming steps of the process. You can click on each icon to see what's coming up in your transaction process. And that is the new updates for the DVC Resale Market mobile app. If you haven't downloaded the app, you can download it today on the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. And if you already have it downloaded, go ahead and update that app to explore the latest features and enhancements. And thanks for watching.